Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade on FP markets. The first thing that you need to do is create your demo account, and if you didn't do that yet, make sure that you check the previous video of mine where I explain you exactly how to do that. Today I will show you how to demo trade once you already created your own account, and we can simply do that by going to WebTrader and then go to the top and select right here MT5 demo. Then right now we scroll down and now we need to log in right here on this screen with the details that we received in our email. So we click right here on trading account number and we paste that right there. And then we need to fill in our password. So we fill in our password real quick. And then we do connect to account. And right now we just logged in with our demo account with a 100k balance. Then we want to buy something. So if you want to buy something, we search right here for, let's say, Bitcoin. There we go. And then right now, what we're going to do is click right here on new order, select right here the volume that we want to buy. So 0.01 is fine. We can set a stop loss or take profit. If you know how to do that, you can do that just for risk management. And then the only thing what you need to do is click right here on sell or buy. So if you now click here on buy, you see right here that we created a 0.01 volume right here on the chart. So this is now how you can start trading. So this is how you can demo trade right here on FP markets. And hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.